Hello guys, welcome back to Betty Life Vlogs. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I'm back with another baking video. I'm going to make a honey bun cake my way today for Father's Day. You need one box of yellow cake mix, vanilla flavoring, 4 eggs, some cooking oil, vegetable oil, milk, your measurement containers, 8 ounces of sour cream, some cinnamon, brown sugar, and some white powder sugar. And I'll put the instructions in the video. So first you're going to dump your cake mix in a bowl, make the cake. Try not to make this video long. If it runs long, I'll cut out some stuff. But yeah, everybody know how to make a cake, so yeah. Everybody know how to make a cake. You're just gonna do the cake the basic way. You're gonna and these are my old directions right here. I had this thing for over a year. So you do 3/4 cups of vegetable oil. Don't follow the instructions on your box. Don't do that. You're gonna need 3/4 cups of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 4 eggs. And then if you get this size, your whole container of sour cream. Or you can get your bigger one and measure it out. Long as it's 8 ounces of sour cream. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, next we're gonna pour our cake batter into our dish. This is my Pioneer Woman dish. I just love her stuff. And my Pioneer spatula. Alright, it's going to be a little thick, so shake it around so it can be even. And then you're going to get a cup of brown sugar. Cup of brown sugar. You can get the light or the dark, whichever one. I think the dark will show the swirls better. Alright. And then I just sprinkle mine over the top like this. And sometimes you don't even need a whole cup. You know. Can you see it? Let's bring it back a little bit more. Okay. Alright, I just sprinkle mine on top like this. If you like a lot of cinnamon, use the whole cup. If not, don't use the whole cup. Alright, then I just take my skewer that I have and I just swirl the cinnamon around like this until it gets all mixed in. I already sprayed my cake dish too, so it won't stick. So I already sprayed that. You make sure all your brown sugar is stirred in. And then that's it. You pop it in the oven. I do mine for 45 minutes and then you take it out. And then I'll be back. Okay, now while the cake is finishing up, we're going to make our glaze for the top. That's going to give it that honey bun look. So you need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. See, that should be good. Up a little bit more. Look at my shirt. Good Jesus. I hate working with powdered sugar. Stuff get everywhere. Look at that. All right. Let's get that. All right, and then next you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 4 tablespoons of milk. So let's put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla 4 tablespoons of milk. You can use your milk of choice. I'm just using this whole milk. 4 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And then you stir that together until it gets creamy. And then once your cake come out, you're going to pour this mixture over your cake while your cake is still hot. And I also poke holes in the cake. So, okay. Okay, I just got my cake out the oven. Now what I do is I poke holes in the cake. That's up to you if you want to do that. I just put a couple of holes in there so your glaze can go through. If you want your glaze to go through, just a little bit. And hopefully it won't fall. But if it does, you eat it, so who cares? Okay, I forgot to put the cinnamon in my cake, in my brown sugar mixture. But what I did was I just put it into my glaze. And so now all you do is just pour it over. Any way you want to. There's no particular way to pour over your glaze. Just pour it over there. Pour it over the cake. And sometimes I just spread it over to make sure I get all of the cake covered. And that's it. Then you let it cool and it'll be like a big old honey bun. And then I come back with the finished product. Okay, this is the finished look of the honey bun cake. See that nice glaze? And now I'm going to cut it for y'all right quick. And I pre-cut because, you know, it be so good, they want big slices. But I'm just going to do this one cut right now. I ain't getting no spatula, so don't come for me. I'm just going to do this because I'm in my house. All right. See? There you go. Honey bun cake. I would taste it, but I haven't ate yet. I'm preparing Father's Day meal also, but this is the honey bun cake. This is the honey bun cake right here. Yeah, so I'll put the recipe in the description box. And I'm also cooking a meatloaf, mashed potatoes and gravy, macaroni and cheese, yams, cabbage, and cornbread, and honey, garlic, and herb pork tenderloin. Get you some. Alright, thanks for watching Better Life Vlogs. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and tell your family and friends about me. I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay, bye.